For centuries, we've relied on experience and gut feeling to keep our machines running smoothly. Skilled technicians would listen to the hum of an engine or feel the vibration of a machine to diagnose issues. We fix things when they break. This reactive approach often leads to unexpected downtime and costly repairs. We hope for the best in between. The uncertainty can be stressful for both workers and managers. But what if we could predict failures before they happened? What if we had a way to foresee issues and address them proactively? Imagine a world where unexpected downtime is a relic of the past. A world where machines operate at peak efficiency and maintenance is scheduled with precision. This is the promise of AI-powered predictive maintenance. By leveraging advanced algorithms and real-time data, we can transform our approach to machine upkeep. AI is transforming how we maintain everything from cars to airplanes to factory equipment. It's revolutionizing industries by providing insights that were previously unimaginable. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can detect subtle patterns and anomalies that indicate an impending failure. This allows for timely interventions and prevents major breakdowns. Think of it like a crystal ball for machines, providing a glimpse into the future of their health. This technology is not just a dream, it's becoming a reality, reshaping the landscape of maintenance and reliability. Predictive maintenance isn't about guesswork. It's a revolutionary approach that leverages the power of modern technology to foresee potential issues before they become major problems. It's about using data to our advantage. By analyzing vast amounts of information, we can make informed decisions that enhance efficiency and reduce downtime. Sensors attached to machines collect a constant stream of information: temperature, vibration, pressure, and more. These sensors are the eyes and ears of our maintenance strategy. This data is then fed into sophisticated AI algorithms. These algorithms are designed to process and interpret the data, identifying patterns and trends that might be invisible to the human eye. These algorithms learn the normal operating patterns of the machine. Over time, they become more accurate in predicting when something might go wrong. The real magic happens when the AI detects a deviation from the norm. This early detection allows for timely intervention. A slight increase in vibration, a subtle change in temperature. These subtle clues can be early warning signs of a potential problem. Addressing these signs early can prevent costly repairs. Instead of waiting for a catastrophic failure, maintenance teams can be alerted and address the issue proactively. This proactive approach not only saves time and money, but also ensures the longevity and reliability of the machinery. The impact of AI-powered predictive maintenance is already being felt across industries. Take the airline industry, for example.